everybody? This your boy D Money. We on Drip Talk, episode number 6, and we about to hit you with how to design your own fashion collection. I know some people, they talk about creative blocks, all that crazy shit, but I just try to make it simple for myself, and I'm gonna try to make it simple for you. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel and comment, about what you want to hear next, and also more tips for other people that are designing collections for themselves as well for their brands. Now, stay tuned for the rest of the episode. Alright, what's good, everybody? This your boy D Money, and I'm hitting y'all with the fashion collection and how to create one. Now, number one, you always have to start off with a theme. A lot of people, they don't like to start off with a theme concept where you actually will have something of substance behind the collection itself. Its meaning, mission statement, kind of like how I think of a business plan. Now with the theme, you're going to have some keywords, some first-hand images that you can cut out, you can put on the board. This will be called your theme board. You'll also have your emotions. Now, a lot of people, they don't like to talk about having their emotions implemented into the collection, but this is very important because it makes the collection very authentic and real, and it will, be very relatable to some people's lives, and also bring a lot of sales and new fans to your brand. You also want to have some fabrics and materials that you can have on hand that you would, like to have in the collection. You can make a collage of that, and then you want to start to experiment. This is number 2. With the experimenting, you're going to have fabric manipulation, you're going to have some collages, you're going to have some sketches that you have designed as far as the patterns and designs that you'll have on the silhouettes of each garment. Then, what you do with that, take your mood board, which makes this number 3. With the mood board, it's not the same as your theme board. The mood board, this actually starts to become the process of editing out all those excess ideas that you have. Now, you don't have to throw those ideas away, you can use those for other collections. But for this specific collection, you're going to throw those out, and you're going to start focusing in on those ideas that are conducive to the other ideas within this theme board that you have. Then this is going to be a process also where you come up with your concept, your whole concept. Then number 4, you go into the design development. With the design development, you have the silhouette development, which means the silhouette for each garment that you're going to make in this collection. Then the textiles and prints that you're going to put on each silhouette. You develop both together in this process, which will later lead you to number 5, which is your pattern cut and sample making process. Now this is where, if you have a manufacturer, you go to the manufacturer, you start making sample pieces. They'll actually help you make product cuts, and also you can make up, mock-ups and things of that sort if you're doing everything digitally, because some manufacturers actually do that. They'll have you do digital design and send the, mock-ups over to them, so that way they can design it for you. You also will have to have your measurements. That's why they call it a tech pack. Because you also have all the measurements of where each design will go, and then once everything is made into samples, you can actually, go through the editing process of that, of where, if a pattern is a little bit off, you can readjust the measurements, or even if, the garment itself is a little bit off, you can, fix the measurements on that as well. Then you go into step number 6, which is actually making the collection. Now, if you're making it yourself, you set up how much it's going to cost you as far as getting the materials and fabrics, and also whether you're doing pants make it so that way you have adequate inventory for the sales process. That's when number 7, you go ahead and style on different models for photo shoots, and then also get ready to post it on social media and add outlets so that way you can promote your brand. This is all the steps of creating a fashion brand, 7 complete steps. It's not that hard, but it's also not that easy as well, because it also, out of everything, is a thinking process. It's your creative thoughts put together all into one in a conducive process. Now, me personally, it's not that hard because a lot of the themes are in my head, placed with life experiences that I have went through, and also seen other people go through. So hopefully this is very helpful for you. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. All of our content on Dreams and Rollers. With your support, it helps us go up. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to episode 6 of this episode, talking about how to make a fashion collection. I hope it helps you and your brand. And stay tuned. We'll have a whole lot more as far as giveaways, discounts, new releases, and new releases of new episodes for Drip Talk and other TV series like Unpackaged and a lot of fashion.